Oh my goodness. Dude, 1,904,582,000,000. That just smashed the record. Not even funny. Um, Dude, that's an absurd increase from yesterday. So we're up from 1696. So before that, the all-time high was 1748, and we are at 1904. So nearly 2 trillion to wrap up the year with 103 counterparties. Um, what doing, Fed? That's crazy. What a way to end the year. $1,904,000,000,000, 582 million with 103 counterparties. Holy shit. All right, man. Well, 2022 is going to start off hot. So let's keep rolling. Thanks for a good year, everybody.